Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a really easy paper cake scooty. So this is a very easy way of making a paper cake scooty and it is useful too. So many of you guys might have many dolls and toys but you want to make vehicles for them. So I thought of making a really easy cake scooty. So a normal scooty would be really hard to make, so I thought of making this one since it's a really easy way and you can even make your dolls to play with it. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy cake scooty. So for this, I'm just going to be using red and black color paper. You can take any color you like according to your wish. And I just took a small doll for using it. You can make the size accordingly about your doll size. For example, if your doll is bigger, you can make it in a bigger size. If your doll is smaller, you can make it in a smaller size, and that's up to you. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy cake scooty. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So the first step is that we're just going to be taking the materials for this craft, which are a few pieces of paper. So first one is that we're going to be taking the main piece of paper, which is red. So I'm just taking a red paper and I'm going to be cutting out a little bit from this piece. So I'm just going to be cutting out like this much. So anyway, we're going to be folding it. So I'm just going to be taking this part. So you can take a rectangular part or any other part. I'm just going to be taking a triangular edge over here, because it doesn't matter how much paper you take. So the next step is that we're just going to be rolling it gently like this. So I'm just going to be rolling it slowly like this over here. So as I said, according to your size, you can make it perfectly. So it would be nice if you roll it and instead of sticking one piece of paper, because if you roll it, it will be more stronger and it will be really cute as well. So now I've completed doing it, and now I'm going to sticking this using glue over here at this corner. So I'm just going to be taking some glue and I'm going to be applying some glue over here and I'm going to be sticking it like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be pressing it nice and to make it nice and flat. And I'm also going to be cutting off the corners to make it perfect in size. So the next step is that we're just going to be folding it perfectly and making all the edges perfect. So next step is that I'm going to be taking one side of the paper like this and I'm going to be folding it like this. I'm just going to be applying some force and I'm going to be pressing it onto it like this, so that we get a structure like this over here. So we're just going to be having like an L-shaped structure. So if you guys want, you can even fold it like into a bigger piece. So this is the small part over here for the bottom part of the L is the part where the doll is going to be standing. So now I'm just going to be making it nice and bigger, and I'm just going to be cutting a little bit off at the edges because it's not looking nice at the edges. I'm going to be cutting it off so that we get a cute structure like this. So now the next step is that we're going to be seeing about how to make the wheels. So for that, I'm going to be taking some black piece of paper like this and I'm going to be cutting out a small piece from it. So I'm just going to be cutting out a small rectangle like this and I'm just going to be rolling it at the same way I did for the other one. So we're just going to be rolling it nice and strong like this. So if you guys want, you can do more pieces of paper like this, or you can even use cardboard to make it nice and strong. So I'm just going to be sticking this over here. And after we do that, I'm just going to be taking this and inserting it inside to get the perfect circular shape. So once we complete that, I'm going to be cutting this into two parts. So if you have any excess parts, you could leave it. So I took a little bit bigger piece. I'm having this excess part and I'm just going to be giving it aside. So now I'm just going to be pressing on it and getting a perfect circular piece like this. So next step is that we're just going to be sticking this over here onto the back part of the scooter. So it's just a little bit more bigger. So I'm just going to be cutting it into a little smaller piece because it's oversized. So next step is that we have like a circular part like this, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here on one part over here, and I'm going to be sticking it to the scooty over here on the back side like this. So now I'm just going to be taking my scissor and I'm going to be applying some pressure over here and sticking it. Next step is that I'm going to be applying some more glue over here on this side and I'm going to be sticking it over here like this. And now I'm going to be taking the scissor and I'm going to be pressing and giving some force over here as well. So now our wheels are ready for the scooty, as you see. So next step is the handles. So for that, I'm just going to be pressing it like this over here and I'm going to be taking another black piece of paper. So I'm going to cutting another big piece like this. So after we take that, it's supposed to be nice and thick. So I'm just gonna be folding it like this and I'm going to fold it one more time to make it nice and thicker. So after we fold it, I'm just going to be applying glue and sticking all these pieces so that they get nice and tough. So now we've completed. So next step is that I'm just going to be checking if it fits the size, and I'm going to be folding this thing one more time like this, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here on this part on both the sides. So now I'm just going to be taking this part over here, and I'm going to be inserting this over here, and I'm going to be sticking it like this so that this part gets inserted in the middle of this. So I'm just going to be applying a lot of pressure and force over here so that it sticks properly. So now the handle for our scooty is ready. So our scooty is almost ready. So next step is I'm just going to be pushing it over here, and I'm going to be folding it like this, because as you see, most scooties will be like slanting like this, and you have to fold it and keep it nicely so that you get like this slanting posture. So I'm just going to be leaving it like this for a while. So if you guys wanted to make it more slanting, one more thing is that you could take tape and you could just stick this tape over here, or you could just take some more tape and stick it in this region so that it will be stuck to that part. So now our scooty is ready. So next step is the decoration. So I'm just going to be sticking black paper on this scooty. So if you guys want, you can even use black sketch to do decorations according to your wish. But if you use sketch, it will be in a kind of different shade of black. That's why I'm going to be using paper itself. It's according to you about how you decorate it. So I just took a small piece over here, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So for that, I'm just going to be cutting it into a little thinner piece so that the red piece can also be seen. So now I just stuck glue, and I'm going to be, after applying glue, I'm going to be sticking it over here for a nice beautiful look. So we're just going to be turning it like this, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So this side is ready. So if you guys want, you can stick one over here. So I'm also going to be sticking a small decoration on the top here as well. So I'm just going to be applying some glue gently like this, and now I'm taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be sticking it like this. So this is also a really cute decoration. So you can apply more decorations, and if you want, you can make the be realistic. So you just take like a white piece of paper and you can just draw like lines. Then you can stick it over here on both the sides, and you can make realistic wheels. So after we complete this, our really easy paper scooty is ready. So you can just turn it, and you can add more decorations and make it into a really perfect scooty. So now, as you see, it will also stand if you apply pressure over here, and it will stand perfectly like this. So if you guys want, you can put more decorations. So as you see, I also wrote scooty over here with a black sketch pen, and I also decorated it with a black sketch pen over here, but you can clearly see that it has a really different shade. So that's why I stuck paper in this one, and I just took the small doll like this, and you can just make it up according to the size of the doll, and you can just make her hold it over here and she can ride on it. So this will also be a really cute dollhouse accessory. So if you guys want, you can do one more decoration here. So you could, if you're going to be making like a different type of scooty, if you want, you can make like a small stand. And one more thing is that you can also make this back part a little broad, and you could stick 2 wheels over here and 1 wheel at the front. That will also be a nice idea if you guys want to. So as you see, I'm going to be placing my doll over here, and she could ride peacefully on the scooty. So once we complete this, our really easy paper scooty is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. If you have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can definitely comment that in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. And I'll also make the craft that you wanted as soon as I'm good at making it. So if you have any queries or any ideas, you can comment that in the comment box as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and keep considering to watch my channel for more interesting videos like this. Bye!